Let's face it, many of us struggle with poorly lit bedrooms. I personally live in a downstairs unit with just one window that lets in light for just a few hours a day, and that lack of natural light can make the space feel dreary and affect both my comfort and productivity. It can also disrupt your sleep cycles and make it harder to get work done, especially if you work from home. I mean, 80% of people say their mood improves when their bedroom has the right lighting, meaning adding just a few lights can make all the difference. The best part is you don't have to spend a fortune to get it. Today, I'll be sharing 10 budget-friendly Amazon lamps and lights that will instantly upgrade your room's vibe and help you create that perfect, relaxing atmosphere. Let's not waste any more time. Make sure to subscribe and stay to the end to see my favorites. Starting with number 1, let's talk about my main lighting source in this room, this rice paper pendant light. Inside, I have a Goie LED bulb, which I'll be mentioning a few times throughout this video, and in my opinion, these are the best light bulbs because they connect to your phone and let you completely transform your room's ambiance. You can use them as a regular daylight bulb or choose from hundreds of custom lighting scenes to match your mood. This did require a bit of hardwiring since I replaced an old ceiling light, but honestly, it wasn't as hard as I expected. Following a YouTube tutorial made it a quick 20-minute setup, and for the $60 it costed me, it was definitely worth it. If you're looking to switch things up in an affordable way, this pendant light is a fantastic choice. It's stylish, budget-friendly, and instantly elevates the look of any space. Moving on to number 2, if you're looking for a floor lamp with a similar vibe, I picked up this 2-tier rice paper lamp from Rona. It cost me about $30 Canadian, which is a fantastic deal for this style of lamp. Rona also offers a smaller version for $20, which works perfectly as a desk lamp. Just like this pendant lamp here, I'm using Goie LED bulbs to light this so I can get a full range of creative control when it comes to the colors. Now, I know most of my viewers aren't in Canada and may not have access to Rona, so I've also made sure to get some great alternatives from Amazon, which I'll make sure to link in the description below. One standout option from Amazon is this smaller egg-shaped version, and I just find it to be unique and charming. Honestly, if I had more space in my room, I'd definitely consider picking it up. These lamps are a great choice for adding character and warmth to your home, so y'all should definitely check them out. Now, number 3 is a fantastic change of pace from the previous 2. This is my newest addition to the room, this vibrant orange glass mushroom lamp. Now, I'm a big fan of unique lighting, and this one stands out with its stunning hand-blown glass design and soft, warm glow. It's priced under $30 and comes in 5 different color options, making it a versatile choice for various spaces. In my opinion, this lamp is perfect not just as a desk lamp, but also as a stylish accent piece. You could place it on a bookshelf to add a pop of color, or even use it as a centerpiece on a coffee table. Its distinctive design and affordability makes it a great option for anybody looking to add a touch of originality and charm to the decor. Now guys, if you love vibrant decor but prefer a more subtle design approach, this lamp from Ikea might just be what you're looking for. Its bold blue color definitely stands out, yet its sleek design keeps it understated and versatile. While it's obviously a great choice for desks, I placed it under this plant stool to add a splash of color and personality to that corner of the room. Unfortunately, I couldn't find an exact match for this lamp on Amazon, but I did find a similar option that offers a comparable vibe. This cordless table lamp comes in several beautiful colors, though if you're specifically looking after this striking blue, you'll need to check out Ikea. It's a great choice if you want to add a vibrant touch to your space with a more relaxed design. Moving on to number 5, this might be a bit of a surprise, but I'm talking Goie LED strips. Now, before anyone calls me a hypocrite in the comments, I know I've had some mixed feelings about these strips recently, but it's important to understand that there's a right way and a wrong way to use them. When used correctly, LED strips can add a beautiful glow to your space without looking messy or distracting. And for just $25, these strips can be a fantastic addition if you keep them hidden and use their glow to accentuate specific areas. This approach creates a cozy ambiance rather than making your room look like an 11-year-old's dream setup. So a great way to use them is like myself, which I've hidden them behind my bed just to give that black wall a slight glow. You could also use them behind a TV, desk, monitors, or even tucked away in your closet to add a little bit of personality and highlight some key areas. I personally have the Goie neon rope strip, which are more expensive and can be a bit of an overkill for something like this. So if you're looking for a simpler, more budget-friendly option that works from the same app, these LED strips are a great choice. Now guys, I promised 2 key things at the beginning of this video: affordability and cozy lighting. Number 6 delivers on both fronts. This indoor portable fire pit is placed under $50 and offers the ultimate ambiance to your space. While it might not be the brightest lamp you can buy, it's incredibly unique and sets an amazing mood. I don't personally own it yet, but I've seen it in my friend Shaq's home, and the way that he's used it to enhance his space totally sold me on it. The warm, flickering light creates a relaxing atmosphere that's perfect for unwinding or entertaining. I mean guys, I'm currently renovating my living room, and once it's finished, this fireplace will definitely be a part of the setup. If you're looking to add a touch of cozy, unique lighting to your space without breaking the bank, this fire pit is a fantastic choice. It's one of the best ways to make any room feel more inviting. Now, number 7 is likely the most versatile lamp on my list. It's one of Ikea's best-selling designs, and due to its popularity is often sold out in stores. Since I live about 40 minutes away from Ikea, I found a great alternative on Amazon for those that might not have easy access just like myself. What makes this lamp stand out is its dual functionality as both a table lamp and a piece of wall decor. The inner ring serves as a remote, letting you adjust the brightness and change the color temperature to suit your mood or need. And as someone who loves blown glass, I appreciate how this lamp delivers the perfect retro cozy lighting that is so popular right now. For all these features, this lamp comes in under $100, which is fantastic for such a high quality multifunctional lamp. It's the perfect choice for anyone who wants to combine form and function in their space. So that's you. I think you might want this lamp. Number 8 on my list is my poster lamps, and I mean, I mentioned these a lot recently, so I really won't go into too much detail, but they are a fantastic way to add glow to any wall decor, especially your posters. And like most of the lamps I featured, they can change colors to match your mood. Installation is also super easy with no wires or damage done to your walls, making them a hassle-free option for anyone looking to enhance their space with some ambient lighting. Now, I've linked the poster lamps in the description below, along with everything else I've mentioned in this video. But let's move on to number 9. The photo lamp that I picked up from Ikea. Now again, if you guys aren't near an Ikea, here are some very similar options on Amazon for under $50. And once again, I am using a Goie bulb in this lamp, which just lets me customize the lighting to fit my mood. This lamp has quickly become one of my favorites for adding a cozy touch to shelves. I've used it in both my room and my brother's, and honestly, the camera just doesn't do it justice. The soft diffused light it gives off adds a warm, inviting vibe, and it's honestly a great option for anyone. Finally, the last option on my list are these motion censored puck lights. These are hands down the best way to seamlessly add light to any dark areas in your space. I use 4 on my bookshelf and 2 in my closet, and they add such a clean, modern look to each area. These lights come with 2 color temperature options, are motion censored, and are magnetized, making them super easy to take down for charging and pop back up. The ones I have are a bit on the pricier side at $60, but honestly, you're paying for quality here. There are definitely cheaper versions out there, but I found that these ones just give you the best performance and durability. They're perfect if you want a sleek, functional lighting solution that also is incredibly convenient. Now guys, before ending this video, I've given you a ton of options, but let's get into my top 3 lights that truly stand out to me and are the biggest game changers for your bedroom. First up, I'm talking this rice paper pendant light. And I mean, this isn't just any light. It's the main light source to my room. It holds a lot of focus and sets the tone for the entire space, which is why it's so important to have a main light that you genuinely love and will use every day. Also, because I paired this with a Goie LED bulb, it gives me complete control over the room's vibe. So whether I want it bright, natural light, or something more colorful and relaxed, this setup delivers both style and functionality at an affordable price. Next is the orange glass mushroom lamp. And I mean, if you're into unique, eye-catching designs, this lamp is a must-have. The hand-blown glass and soft light creates the perfect balance between style and function. Plus, it's $30 and versatile enough to work as a desk lamp, a bookshelf accent, or even a centerpiece on a coffee table. This is one of the most affordable ways to add a pop of personality to literally any spot. Finally, I'm talking the indoor fire pit. This is a total game changer for setting the mood, and while it's not the brightest lamp on the list, its $50 price and mesmerizing glow make it a perfect choice for a cozy space. I haven't added it to my space just yet, but I'm convinced it's perfect for adding warmth and a unique touch, which will be proven when I'm done renovating my living room. Now guys, I'd love to hear which lamp was your favorite from the list, or even your own top 3, so make sure to let me know in the comments below. Also, if you're looking for more ways to elevate your space, make sure to check out my last video or subscribe so you don't miss any future home tips. As always, I hope you guys have a great day. Peace.